Oh, hey, man, welcome to the Cooking General, man. Ooh, man, I got a call early Saturday night. It was like, man, Sister Mabel, she ain't gonna be able to cook for this church dinner. And we want to know what you could do. And I say, well, what y'all plan on having? They say, well, can you just do some green beans and some smothered chicken because we got other members doing this and that. And I say, golly, I guess I will do it. I mean, I don't know why y'all asked Sister Elizabeth, but I know they don't get her cooking. But anyway, I just agreed to go ahead and do it with it. And I said, I'm going to go ahead and go and film it because I don't think I ever done smothered chicken on my channel anyway. So, come on, let me show you what I'm going to put that together as well. So, now, I got me 2 big old cans of green beans right here. Now, I got 3 packs of chicken. This one, 2, and I got the other one I'm washing off now. We're going to have some potatoes, and then we're going to need some flour. Then we're going to need some grease, some salt, some Creole season, black pepper, onion powder, paprika, garlic powder. Now, I'm going to put some bacon off in my green beans. I got some onions here. I got 2 of them because I'm going to make a big old gravy to it. And I got me some green and orange bell peppers. Man, I'm going to go ahead and get this seal here, man, for them on a Sunday because I had something else I was going to film, but we're going to go ahead and do this here. So, Cooking General, we're going to see if we can get this together. Smothered chicken. Ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking Generals. Now, see that I'm getting my potatoes washed off and I'm going to get them cut up. Now, since it's going to be for the church, I'm not going to add maybe that's about 6 seasonings to it. I'm not going to go too fancy. And I'm getting my grease. I'm going to put it in this deep fryer here. And I'm getting it battered up. So I'm getting it ready. Cooking General, ask somebody. All righty, welcome back to the Cooking General. All right, y'all see this here? I'm going to go ahead and brown my bacon. Now, y'all know I usually put it in the oven, but on this particular thing I'm doing for a church, I'm going to go ahead and brown it on top. And what I didn't tell you is I knew I want to get this here flavor because, I don't want to be like Sister Elizabeth talking about my cooking. So I'm going to get that there. And I also decided to add some premium sliced ham, which I'm going to put some ham off of here and brown it with the bacon. As soon as the bacon get a little bit more brown than this here, then I put the ham in there. And this here is going to go inside the green beans. Okay, there we go. Now, I got my green beans off in this here big boy here. Because I got 2 cans now I got to do. So all you want to do really is cover just to the top of water, just to the top of your green beans with some water. Now, I added some butter off in here, some salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. And I'm going to let these here steam. And I'm going to go ahead and check on these potatoes and put this fried chicken on. And we're going to get it started. Cooking General, ask somebody. Okay, here we go. You know what I'm saying? All right, got the first batch of chicken down. I got it on 350. I set it for 375 because when you drop the chicken in there, it's going to drop the temperature down anyway. So I set it on 355. When the light come on ready, I go ahead and drop the chicken in there because it's going to drop down the temperature down anyway. And then once the temperature come back up, then I turn it down to 350. That way you can go ahead and go and get the best frying of the chicken and won't just be sitting in there grease. Now my potatoes, they are getting the boiling. Now my bacon is about ready. I'm finna add my ham and my onions over there. Now, what I didn't tell y'all one thing, because I know some people are a lot younger, you know what I'm saying? That's when the show started from single men to single women anyway. But anyway, y'all see me season my chicken when I had it off in the thing. But also, you got to kind of balance it, because I also season my flour too. Because when I season my chicken by itself, I kind of let it soak in. And then I lightly season the flour. That way it goes all the way through. That's just one quick tip. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty. Now, y'all can see my bacon is brown. Now, I want to add my onions and my ham to this here. Now, I'm going to get this here sauteed up with my bacon. I'm going to make sure the other one get to the bottom because I want to take my bacon and put it on the top because it's already ready. And I'm going to get this stirred around. Catch you in the next one. Alrighty. Eat your heart out, Sister Elizabeth. Ooh, let me quit that because that one might watch this here. But anyway, now I got my ham, my bacon, and my onions. I got them sauteed. Now I'm going to stir them up in these green beans. And this smelling so good off here. Boy, it's going to be good. Cooking General, ask somebody. Okay, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now check it out here. Now I got my potatoes. They're about, you don't want them to get them too soft right now. So they're about, I'll say about 25%. Because, see, I got this here going and I don't want them to cook down. They're supposed to be picking this up probably about around 8 o'clock. So, I don't want to get them too soft. So, I want to make sure they be just right because you don't want them to be smushed up. All right. There we go. Now, there we go. Now, Sister Elizabeth, you watching this here? Don't mash your potatoes up. You see, I got them like that, right there. Ask somebody. Okay, there we go. Look at that, that chicken golden brown. Man, I got quite a bit more to go, so hopefully, you know what I'm saying, we're going to go ahead and go and get this started. And it should be basically what y'all should know right now. Y'all should pretty much well know how I'm finna do this here. I'll come back when I'm finna make my gravy. Okay, as y'all can see, I'm trying to get my gravy to the right color. Now, I added me just a little oil, and now I'm stirring it up. I want to get it the right color. Now, what you also want to do, you also want to get I got me a little tea kettle here with some hot water. You want to get that water hot, because when I start adding my water to thin it out, I want the water to be hot. And see, I got my bell peppers right here on standby, my onions on standby. I got my onion powder on standby, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. That's what I'm adding here. Get my gravy. Man, you talking about gonna be good? Man, they gonna be praising this meal here. Hallelujah. That's somebody. Ooh, man, boy, that chicken is golden and pretty. Okay, anyway, let's get back to this gravy. All right, now I got it to like a brown. I like that brown consistency. Now I added my hot water to it and I added my seasoning to it. I'm stirring that up in there. Yeah, man. Whew. All right. They better get glad they gave me an early start. Okay, now, go ahead and move this out the way first. Okay, now, I got that going. Now, you got to taste as you go. I ain't no chef. So, I added these seasons. You got to keep on tasting. Now, I tasted a little bit, and I need a little bit more, but I didn't want to add the salt to it. So, I just added a little bit of tonus to it, and that kind of got it where I want it. Now, you want to go ahead and put my onions in there. You know I'm going to get them out of there, so don't even worry about that. And add my bell peppers in there. Yep, there we go. Now, we're just going to let it simmer right now. Let it cook on down. We're going to let it simmer and come back. I'll show you. Whew, boy, man, it smells good. Ask somebody. Okay, here we go. Now, see that? All the chicken is done. It's done. It's ready. Now, I got my gravy here. It's ready. Now, I got my oven set for 350. I'm going to put it on here, and I'm going to pour my gravy on it, and then you want to put your gravy on it, and then we're going to cover with foil. I got to hurry up because they should be coming pretty soon, so I need to hurry up and get this here baked. All right, Cooking General, ask somebody. Oh, there we go. Man, hey, we got this dinner done, Naz. It's about 10 minutes. I think she's going to be here pretty soon. So, come in, let me show y'all this church meal right quick now. Next here, you got the ham, you know what I'm saying? You got your bacon, your green beans, your potatoes, and all that there. They're going to plug this up at church, so they're going to get it back warm. And then I got the smothered chicken right here. And it's all got all the stuff in there. The gravy is good. Everything turned out good. And they're going to plug this back in. But I'm going to cover back up and put it back in the pan. I just want to hurry up and show y'all before they get here. Man, this is a pretty good meal. This is going down. That's what they want me to cook. I taste everything. I always like to taste my food. You always taste it and make sure you got the season right. Man, it's going to be good, man. And like I said, Sister Mabel, I know you couldn't do it, but I'm glad you asked me to do it. I don't mind doing nothing for no church. But one thing I do, I already know. Sister Elizabeth going to come to that church. She's going to be like, because she knows she have to cook. Nobody does anyway. And what makes me, but I do like one thing she do. Sister Elizabeth can do that holy dance. Hallelujah.